The low life.
He goes in there like your Honda.
Yeah. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in Naples, and the idea with today's video is you often hear that you can't really mod Teslas that much, but today we're gonna change your opinion on that because we have this beast right here. This is Tesla Model 3, and the owner Dominic talk us through this mod here and what you've been done to it.
Yeah, there's a lot on it. So right now it's sitting on AirTech suspension, airbags. It's got electric performance wheels. They're forged. They're one-piece forged. The rears are 20 by 10.5, and the fronts are 20 by 9.5.
So that's 275 and two. I think it's the same width as I have. 235s in the front?
235s in the front,
yeah.
Correct. And it's a 20/30 offset. It's got satin dark gray wrap by 3M. Front headlights are Teslux, which actually change color. They actually go red.
Only in Florida, I guess.
Yeah, only when you're parked, pretty much. Otherwise, it's pretty much legal.
Yeah.
Front splitter is actually a custom design. Me and a guy in Miami designed the splitter. It's called Carbon Performance.
Oh, you guys designed this yourself?
We actually made a mold and designed it ourselves.
That's cool.
The point is, I wanted to lay on the floor.
Yeah, it really does too.
And that's pretty much what the goal was.
So this is one of one?
That is one of one, correct.
Okay.
We have a mold to make more, but that is the first that we've made.
So what about the hood here? I can see this is definitely
the hood,
not stock.
Exactly. The hood is also carbon. That is out of Revo Sport.
Okay.
I think they're out of, I'm actually not sure where they're at.
Is it a US company or?
No, they're overseas.
Okay.
They're overseas, yeah.
Gotta talk about the rear here as well.
So that is a Vorsteiner rear diffuser.
Yeah, I've seen the full package. It looks pretty good.
Yeah, I wasn't fond of the wings on the side, so that's why I went with a different company. So it's CSMT. CMSMT has the side skirts. The front of it is actually my design, and then the rear is just the Vorsteiner.
And this wing is this?
That wing is a Vorsteiner wing also.
Very aggressive rear diffuser. How was it to modify this? Did you have to do any cutting in the bumper or something like that?
No, that actually, the insert pops out and that bolts right in. It's actually,
really?
Yeah, great design by the company.
Yeah, they've been around for a while too, so I guess
yeah,
they kind of know what they're doing.
Exactly. The boxes, so these are C-suckers. The original bars are about 4 inches off the car, and they were chrome. So I had a company that makes custom motorcycles make bars for the roof.
Okay.
So they measured the roof, they measured the box, and then made a bar that actually just hovers right above the glass.
Yeah,
so
and the good thing is no drilling, it's just suction cups up
it's
there.
just, exactly. Now the back
pretty
only is like
convenient.
1/8 of an inch off the glass. You can't even really see that.
Yeah, it's super tight.
Yeah.
But it works. That's all that matters. What is this? Is it a standard range plus or long range performance?
This is actually a mid-range. This is a 2018 mid-range.
So that's similar to today's...
This is today's standard, correct.
Yeah, I was driving mine up here, and I just noticed the difference when you put massive wheels on it, or bigger wheels in distance and in range. I think it went down by maybe 30-40%.
Yeah, I lose about 35% with the box and everything.
Yeah, it's worth it though. I mean,
it goes from car show to car show. It pretty much
great.
is a garage queen.
Yeah. These calipers too, painted.
They're just, yeah, candy apple red, flake.
Nice. I just wanted to show you this car today to show you that's what's possible with a Tesla Model 3. So if you're buying one and if you're into the modification game and you're kind of feeling like you can't really do much with a Tesla Model 3, it's all in your head. You can do pretty much whatever you like. This is as modified of a Model 3 I've ever seen, and it's a lot done to it. So there is no shortage of ideas and things you can actually do with your Tesla, whether it be a Model 3, an S, an X, or a Y. right here next to the car on this parking lot. This is this old cool train car, which is apparently open. Let's go check out what's inside here. Look at this. Wow.
Super fancy.
It's air conditioned too. This is very cool. It's like going back in a time capsule. Here I guess it's the kitchen or the bar or something. And then you have the coach back here. Very cool. Nice. Yeah, I guess this is coach. And this is more like first class, or maybe this is just a dining area. It just has cooler, better, more comfortable seating. It just looks nicer. Very cool. Unexpected. So guys, there we have it. Don't be afraid to mod your Tesla, whether it be a Tesla Model 3, the Y, the S, the X. They can all be pretty modded and made into your own design. Make sure you go and check out Dominic on Tesla Mods 33 on Instagram. Thanks again to Dominic for letting me review or film his car today here in sunny and very hot Naples. And as always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Take care, guys.